So far, I've explained how to implement many static tests and broken down how capsule collision works, including the mathematical underpinning that makes it possible. Now, I want to go further in my first mini-course, Dynamic Collision Detection Demystified. In this course, I will explain how dynamic collision with spheres, planes, axis-aligned bounding boxes, oriented bounding boxes work, as well as collision meshes and half-pipes. You won't just implement algorithms, you'll derive and understand them. You'll get the complete production-ready source code and the deep mathematical understanding needed to design a system that is both powerful and maintainable. This course is for the developer who is ready to move from merely using libraries to truly mastering the science behind them. The course is in development right now. To get notified on launch day, sign up for the mailing list at the link in the description. Stop just using collision libraries. Start architecting, deriving, and understanding them.